Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine this. Your legs feel like jelly when you try to stand up. The next morning, even reaching for a glass of water makes your arms tremble. Panic sets in. How did this happen? Now here's the truth. The real enemy might already be inside you, quietly stealing your strength, without any pain, warning, or obvious signs. Even if you're over 80, this video will show you the foods that can help rebuild your muscles and restore your independence. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could change the rest of your life. Have you felt more tired lately? A little unstable on the stairs? Or maybe you're having trouble getting out of your favorite chair? This isn't just getting older. It's something deeper, something called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the silent thief of muscle mass. It starts around age 50 and progresses without symptoms. No fever, no pain, just slow, unnoticed loss of strength, mobility, and balance, until one day it's hard to get up at all. Doctors rarely talk about it, yet sarcopenia is now officially classified as a disease by the World Health Organization, and the most alarming part, according to Harvard Medical School, you could lose up to 33% of your muscle mass by the time you hit 60, even if you eat healthy. But here's the good news. This isn't a life sentence. Recent studies show that with the right foods, muscle loss can not only be stopped, it can actually be reversed. That's right. You can regain strength, balance, and energy, no matter your age. Coming up, we'll walk you through 6 powerful foods that support muscle repair, boost energy, and help you stay active for years to come. Before we go further, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss videos that can dramatically improve your quality of life. Brown rice and quinoa, the energy builders. Let's begin with a food you probably already have at home. Brown rice. Brown rice is far more than just a healthier alternative to white rice. It's a steady energy source packed with fiber, complex carbs, and crucial minerals like magnesium and B vitamins, all essential for aging muscles. Why does this matter? Because your muscles run on energy. Without a consistent supply, they begin to weaken. Brown rice releases energy slowly throughout the day, avoiding blood sugar crashes that cause fatigue. And fiber. It not only supports digestion, but also helps your body absorb key nutrients needed to maintain muscle strength. Plus, magnesium in brown rice plays a direct role in how your muscles contract and relax, making it a top choice for preventing cramps and stiffness. A simple bowl a few times a week could help you stay energized, balanced, and strong. Now let's talk about quinoa, a favorite among health enthusiasts, and for good reason. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair, but can't produce on its own. As we age, our ability to synthesize protein drops. That's why it's critical to get enough high-quality protein in our diet. Quinoa provides 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, plus fiber, iron, and magnesium. Nutrients that keep muscles oxygenated and functioning well. And just like brown rice, it helps regulate blood sugar, so your muscles have steady fuel. The day, sprinkle it on salads, cook it as a side, or use it as a base for hearty bowls. It's versatile, easy to digest, and perfect for preserving muscle and mobility. The 3 surprising muscle defenders hiding in your snack drawer. Let's open your snack drawer. Hidden there might be 3 of the most powerful muscle-protecting foods: walnuts, blueberries, and flax seeds. Starting with walnuts, often praised for heart health, but equally important for your muscles. These brain-shaped nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, which lowers inflammation, a major culprit behind muscle weakening and joint pain. Inflammation silently breaks down muscle tissue over time, but walnuts help stop it in its tracks. They also contain antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols that fight oxidative stress, a key driver of aging and muscle decline. Add to that 4 grams of plant-based protein per ounce, and you've got a snack that supports muscle growth, repair, and daily function. Sprinkle walnuts over salads, yogurt, or enjoy a handful daily. Now to blueberries, nature's antioxidant powerhouse. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, which combat free radicals that damage muscle cells. But that's not all. Blueberries, help with post-activity recovery, especially vital for seniors who may take longer to bounce back. They're also rich in vitamin C, important for collagen formation, keeping muscles, tendons, and ligaments flexible and strong. And potassium in blueberries helps regulate muscle contractions and fluid balance. 1 cup a day, fresh or frozen, can help protect your muscles and sharpen your memory. Toss them into smoothies, oatmeal, or snack on them. Finally, let's talk about flax seeds, tiny but mighty. Flax seeds are rich in protein, fiber, and omega-3s. They help reduce inflammation and support muscle repair. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed daily can boost your nutrient intake significantly. They're also full of lignans, unique antioxidants that protect muscle cells from stress and aging. Important tip: always use ground flax seeds. Whole seeds often pass through the digestive system without being absorbed. Mix them into smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods. 4. Discover the nighttime muscle miracle you're probably overlooking. Greek yogurt is revolutionary when it comes to preserving muscle and aiding overnight recovery. Just 170 grams of Greek yogurt delivers up to 20 grams of high-quality protein. This includes casein protein, which digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles throughout the night. That slow release is key. As we sleep, our bodies naturally enter a fasting state. This is when muscle breakdown tends to accelerate. Eating Greek yogurt before bed can protect your muscle mass while you rest, keeping you stronger and more energized when you wake up. Greek yogurt also provides essential nutrients, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. These 3 work together to support both bone strength and muscle function. Plus, it contains probiotics, which help improve digestion and nutrient absorption, vital for seniors. Here's something you may not know. Greek yogurt has small amounts of creatine. While not as high as supplements, every bit helps with muscle, strength, and endurance. Choose natural, unsweetened varieties. Add berries, honey, or crushed walnuts for flavor and extra nutrients. Just 3 to 4 servings a week, especially in the evenings, can make a visible difference. So if you're serious about protecting your muscles, don't skip this one. Try it tonight and drop a comment below with the word yogurt to let us know. The omega-3 fish, your muscle strength replacing secret. Let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. These aren't just heart-healthy options. They are powerful allies in the fight against age-related muscle loss. Why? Because they contain a combination of high-quality, complete protein and potent omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These nutrients improve how your muscle cells respond to protein and reduce the inflammation that speeds up muscle breakdown. In simple terms, fatty fish help your body absorb and use protein more effectively, even as you age. Just 100 grams of salmon delivers about 20 grams of muscle-building protein. Plus, it's rich in vitamin D, which is essential for muscle function, and often lacking in older adults due to reduced sun exposure. One major study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate fatty fish twice a week experienced far less loss of strength and mobility than those who didn't. And there's more. Omega-3s help reduce joint pain, making it easier to stay active. Less pain means more movement. More movement means more preserved muscle. Amino acids in fatty fish are easily absorbed, making them ideal for seniors with declining digestion. The result? Stronger muscles, better mobility, and more independence. Quick tip: aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed fish. Avoid fried or heavily salted versions. It's not just dinner, it's defense. If you're already enjoying salmon or tuna, let us know in the comments. Cottage cheese, the nighttime protein. Your muscle crave. Cottage cheese is one of the most underappreciated muscle-supporting foods for seniors, especially when eaten before bed. What makes it powerful is casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids over several hours. As we sleep, our bodies go through a natural fasting phase. Without nourishment, muscles can begin to break down. But with cottage cheese in your evening routine, you're giving your muscles a steady stream of fuel to repair and grow strong. Overnight, Each cup of cottage cheese delivers around 25 grams of high-quality protein. That's a major boost for anyone over 50 trying to maintain or rebuild muscle. And there's more. It's rich in calcium, which supports muscle contractions and bone health, and vitamin B12, vital for nerve function and red blood cell production. Lack of B12 can lead to muscle weakness and coordination problems, two common issues many seniors face without even knowing why. By adding cottage cheese to your weekly meals, you're helping your body defend against those silent challenges. Here's how to use it. Choose plain, unsweetened cottage cheese, ideally low in sodium. Top it with berries, honey, or walnuts. For added antioxidants and healthy fats, try eating it 3 to 4 times a week, especially at night to feed your muscles while you sleep. Cottage cheese isn't just a snack, it's a secret weapon to help you wake up stronger, more mobile and more independent. So here's the truth. Muscle loss doesn't have to be your destiny, not anymore. What you've just learned is more than a list of foods. It's a blueprint, a set of simple, affordable, science-backed choices you can start making today to protect the strength and independence that define your quality of life. Each bite matters. From cottage cheese at night to fatty fish twice a week, to that handful of walnuts instead of chips, these are not small changes, they are powerful decisions. Because the real battle for strength isn't won in a doctor's office, it's won in your kitchen. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need to wait for symptoms to show. You just need to act. And if you've made it this far, you've already taken the first step. Now here's your challenge. Over the next 7 days, incorporate at least one of the muscle-saving foods from this video into your meals. Track how you feel, your energy, mobility, even your sleep. You might be surprised, and when you do, come back and leave a comment. Let others know what worked. You might be the reason someone else starts saving their strength today. If this video helped you, please click the like button. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly health insights created just for seniors like you. Share this video with someone you care about. It could change their life too. Miss it. Until then, stay strong, stay informed, and stay well.